everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Wantable active unboxing. So I recently did just a regular Wantable unboxing with just regular clothes, but I am kind of in love with my active box. It sends me all like athleisure and workout clothes, and I've been really liking everything. I think the last one, there was some patterns and things that I struggled with, but I was really glad that they sent them, and I'm really liking this box. So if you want to get like a workout box and comfy athleisure clothes, you should definitely try this. I'll put my referral code down below, but let's see what I got. Okay, here's the bundle. Ooh, okay. All right, here's all my info, my envelope to return, all my prices with the pictures. I'll look at that in just a minute. Okay, what do we got here? All right, this is so soft. It's by Glyder. It is just like a, what is it? I mean, I would call it like it's a tank, but it has a wide armhole, like a really big one for working out. It's so soft. It's so stretchy. What's it say? Inhale, confidence, exhale, doubt. That's really fun for working out. I love that it has a high neck. I do kind of like that it's black because then it doesn't show sweat quite as much. And it's just comfy and it looks long. So, all right, I'll try that on, but my God, that feels amazing. What's next? Okay, this is some MPG, like yoga pants or leggings or whatever you call them. Oh no, you know what are these? They're like baggy. I don't know what that's called. They're joggers, but they're different. They're like, I don't know what these are called, but I'm so excited to try them on. They look super comfortable. They're meant to be loose, not tight like leggings. Like, look at them. They're like wicking joggers. I just made that up. Trademark. Okay, next thing is, okay, this is cute. Prince Peter. I've never heard of them, but it's a nice tank that is, I think, a nice tie-dye. I don't like super crazy tie-dye, but that's nice. Like just a white tank for working out, high neck. We don't need to be showing off the ladies while we're working out. Okay. Oh, this is nice too. This is just a V-neck tank by Ocean Drive. And I don't know about you, but I can always use just like a plain V-neck tank. I don't even think I'd probably work out in this. I would just wear it. And it looks kind of oatmeal or cream. Okay, I'll try that on. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, they send so much stuff. That's what I like about this box. It just keeps going. Okay, so these are black leggings. I wonder how long they are. They're high rise, they say, and they say 25 inches. So we'll see how long they are, but I can always use new yoga pants or leggings for working out. Has a zipper in the back for whatever, but perfect for running, perfect for Orange Theory and mountain biking. I can always use black leggings. What is this? Oh, okay. This is a little jacket. It's a 3/4 length zip. Oh, I have this in, I think I have got this in blue. I think I already got this one in blue. And I really like it, and I've worn it a ton. So I'll try it on, but I do think I already have this one. All right, well that's still, I mean, I liked it last time. I kept it. Ooh, this is fun. This is also by Ocean Drive. Oh my God, this is so soft. Look how cute it is. I love stripes. Is that adorable? I mean, this is leisure wear. This is not workout clothes. This is super soft and comfy, and I might really have to get this. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this already. Okay, I'm gonna go try everything on and we'll see how it fits. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I'm kind of in love with this shirt. It's like a PJ shirt. It is so soft and lovely and fun and cute, and I love the color, and it depends on the price, but I don't care if it's the middle of summer. This is glorious. Okay, we have to make some sacrifices here. Okay, this is also why I love this active box, because I didn't realize how much I need these pants. Again, it'll depend on the price, but has pockets. It's like stretchy leggings, but loose and baggy, and then it gathers at the bottom. What do you think? Has pockets. It's stretchy. It's wicking. It's comfy. It's not like keeping you all in. It's like letting it all hang out and being adorable. All right, well, at least I think so. And I will think it is even more adorable if it's affordable. So, okay, well, let me go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I got the tie-dye shirt on, tank. And it's cute. It's nothing super special, but I think it fits okay. Depends on the price. Yeah, nothing super special, but I would wear it. Okay, and then the leggings, again, nothing super special, but they're high quality. I think they fit well. High-waisted. I don't know. I think I can always use black leggings for working out. They're long, which is perfect. I like wearing long leggings for working out. So, I mean, you can always use a pair of black leggings. So again, I think it depends on the price. But I like everything so far. Okay, let me go put on the last bits. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I do already have this little pullover jacket in a blue color. I'm glad I got it in the blue, but I really like it. It's got fun thumb holes. It's got a neat design here. It's really soft and stretchy. If you haven't asked for it, you should, because it is really great warm-up jacket. Okay, and then the last thing is this tank top. And although I don't often like kind of words on my tanks, I don't love it. I would rather them be plain. I like the fit of this tank top a lot better than the tie-dye one. It's softer, it's looser, it just would be more comfortable for working out. Even though I like the pattern on that one better, I would get this one more, or more likely to get this one. Again, it depends on the price though, right? Because we don't talk about need here, do we? We don't talk about need. Do we need any of this? I don't know about you, but I probably don't need any of it. So it'll depend on the price. Let me change my clothes and we'll go over them, and I'll have to make some tough decisions. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I was going through my pile and ready to do pricing, and then I found this shirt that I completely forgot about, this tank top. So I love the fabric. It's super soft. I'm just not that into a really long shirt. If you're somebody who likes to wear leggings as pants, this is a perfect shirt for that, because it has a neat kind of detail here. Or if you just like wearing long shirts, like just some people like to. I don't. I tend to kind of front tuck them. It's just not the right look for that. It's just a little bit long for me, but it's super covering, which is great when you need to cover, you know, bras and chest areas. It just, I don't know. I like the top, but it's just too long for me. The fabric's great. We'll check the price and see kind of the values there, but it's just not for me. Okay, now for reals, we're gonna go over the prices. All right, be right back. Okay, it's time to go over pricing. Before I get to that, if you like my new tank top, I got it at Evereve. You can order it online. You can go into your store. Such a cute tank top. Great way to kind of spice up just like a plain black tank top that goes with everything. It's adorable. I'm in love with it. Okay. That was a side note. Evereve, check them out. They're amazing. Get a Transcend box. Okay, so prices. So at first I was really loving this. It's $46, but then it suffered from comparison to the black one. Because I really love the fit of that one better. And so $46 for a tank top, I don't think it was that amazing, but it is really cute. And I like the tie-dye on it. It's subtle, it's nice, it's a little, you know, something different. Okay, so these amazing wicking joggers. Ooh, they're 56. That's fun. I don't know if it's that great of a price, but they're really fun and comfy, and I don't have anything like it. So that's gonna go in the maybe pile. All right, so the leggings, just the black leggings, which I have black leggings, but they're fun. Oh, 55, that's not bad either. This is a good box. Okay, the next one, oh yay, okay, so my striped glorious sweater. I don't know what this is. Like a sweater, but it's just fuzzy, like a fleecy, I don't know. But it's 54. Not terrible. Not terrible at all for something glorious as this. Okay, next thing, that is also going in the maybe pile. All right, I already have this, the 3/4 zip by Colosseum, and it's 45. So that was a good price before, I thought. Super good, already have it, don't need it. Going back. Okay, the tank. Oh good, it's a good price. Okay, so this tank is 38. And when the tie-dye one was 46, this is a no-brainer for me. It's comfy, it fit great. Again, I don't love words, but when I'm working out, I also don't really care that much. So yes, in the maybe pile. And then last but not least was the cream tank that just wasn't a good fit for me. It's just a little bit too long. And it's 36. I think these have been great prices. I mean, what's the most expensive thing? It's like 56 bucks. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so this is in the no pile. So if you get 5 things, you get money off, 20% off or something like that. Let's see. So the total of the box is $330. If I get 5 things, it's $66 off, plus tax, minus my $20 styling fee. And then I have some credits because people use my referral code, and that's awesome, and you guys are so great. So that's really fun. And so the total for everything would be $178.19. I mean, that's 6 things. That's not bad. I'm not gonna keep everything, but I'm definitely gonna have to think about 5 things because I think I only have 4 things right now, or I'm gonna have to be critical. Okay, tell me what your favorites were. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying happy and safe. We'll see you next time. Bye.